Hello everyone, I am Cindy from Cocket Crochet. Today this video isn't about crochet tutorial. Instead, I will be guiding you through the process of designing your own crochet doll like this. Let me introduce you to my creation, Furina. So this Furina is a Hydro Archon from Genshin Impact. I really love this game and she is my favorite character. Okay, I will show you how to transform the animated character like this into the simplified model of crochet doll like this. Here is a little secret. I'm not the best drawer out there, but I use a Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite which comes with the S Pen and a free app called IbisPaint to help with my designs. You will see the sketch on one side and the final crochet doll on the others. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, first step, you have to get your official image of Furina for your reference, and I will prepare the Chibi base model that I draw myself also. Then get the application IbisPaint. I open IbisPaint and create a new canvas in 1:1 ratio, and which is perfect. And then I import my Chibi model and adjust it to fit the canvas like this. Then I choose the pencil. I normally select the airbrush and then lower the opacity level to 55. Okay, and then after that, add the new layer above the imported photo. We will start drafting on a new layer and then let's draw it. I also put on the draft like the lines to separate between another half of the head, and then just draw the eye in the middle of the head, draw the nose and then the hairline above the eyes. You should keep the reference photo beside you in order that you can draw the perfect hairline that is same to Furina's model. This one is not that easy. I have to redo it so many times, but at least practice make perfect. You can just keep drawing and keep erasing it as much as you want. Okay, after the hair, I just draw the hat around the sideway of the head like this. And then just move on to the body part by drawing the shoulder above the model, a little bit above the model like this, because her dress is like the one with the high shoulder. And then just draw the whole line to separate and make both sides parallel to each other. I need to make it symmetry, you know. So the left side and the right side of the dress should be symmetrical to each other like this. And I also draw the waistline, and I will know that where her waist should be, and then just draw the dress according to the reference I have. Okay. After that, draw the dark line for the legs and shoe area. Once the dark lines are almost done, I decided to hide the model layer by clicking on the eyes on the layer like this. This one, the layer is hidden. And now I decided to change the waistline of Furina and then change a little bit of her clothes to be a little bit upper in order that her leg will look longer. I also add the dark lines for her steampunk skirts pieces, and also I also had the hair, the long hair pieces behind her back as well. Once the dark layer is finished, I reduce the opacity level of this dark layer to about 30% like this. In this way, I can focus on drawing the solid line on top of it. And after that, don't forget to add another layer on top of the dark layer. Now I'm going to draw the cleaner lines on the new top layer. I am drawing the solid line and make sure the line looks clean because this one is the real dark of the lines around Furina. And this is where I define Furina's hairstyle, her outfit, and all details just make her stand out. Okay. After finishing the solid line layer, before I start coloring, I import Furina's photo again. Then I drop the sample color on a different layer. Just select the color that you think is major because she will have so many color and so many shades. Just make sure that the color you choose might match your yarn color that you have. Now I'm selecting the major color and draw it in the corner of my canvas. For my coloring. Then I hide the photo so I have clear space to work. And after that, just add a new layer underneath the drawing line layer and then start coloring with gray background. And this is to help the colors that I will do next stand out and easier to see. And then just add another layer above the gray background and then start coloring major colors. I start the major color area like skin with the light cream color like this. And then start with the skin first and the dress and the hair will be after that. Okay, after the skin, you can go on the hair by coloring the light blue color around the hair area like this. Just color the only one solid color first, and then the dress area with blue and navy blue and white and black. Okay, and the hat and the details of the head as well. And then after that, just go back to the line layer and clean up messy lines. Yeah, I have so many messy lines when I draw the solid line. You can just clean it up. In order that next step, you will have to draw the detail for the accessory. Then add a new layer on top of it and draw the detail accessory. And now I'm going to draw the smaller details like her jewelries and the ribbon around her dress. after such detail, after that just add the new layer underneath this and start to color. Okay, after you finish all detail accessories, you can delete the unused layer such as dark lines and gray background. Next step would be shading and highlights. Once the base color are in, I add another layer for shading. I use a slightly darker tone for shadows, especially on skin. I use the darker cream color and highlight around the hairline and the neck area like this, also the nose and also the hands and also the legs area as well. This is, for example, maybe underneath the plants area. Okay, and then shade it like this, and after that I also draw the pink as a cheek as well. To blend the shadows, I use the blur tool here. It is like a doublet. It is quick and make everything look soft and smooth. Just highlight it around the shadow you draw and then highlight the hair using the darker blue color like this, and also just blend it using the blur tool as well. I really love this blur tool, and this one is blend to each other. And after that, just highlight the hair using the gray color. Then you can choose the solid pencils and then just draw the hair shadow in gray. You can draw it in like a single straight of your hair like this. Add them like this, highlight them as the shadow of the hairs, and this one will add the texture for Furina's hair. Okay, you can also draw it this way, like this, and then just highlight them with white and also keep blurring them in order to blend the white into the hair. And this white is like it is reflect the light that explodes to the hair and give the hair the shining effect. Then I just add more detail on the hat, just like such as shadows on the hat and then the hemlines of the hat. After that, I add the shadow around the lace decoration as well. Then add the shadow around the dress, and also around the dress, use a darker shade of each part. And then for the facial detail, I add the sparkling effects on her eyes, and this one I use the white dot on it and maybe a little bit white lines around the eyes to make it a little bit sparkling. And then now I finish. You can save the image like this, and after that I just duplicate the new one in order to make the back side of Furina, and I have to erase the face and closest detail. After that I should to flip the layer horizontally for both of them, because the back side you have to flip it, right? And then after that I have to just continue erasing the cloth, and then I replace the face with the black hair, and I constantly add the color of blue at the back side of the hair like this, and then continue drawing the new hairline for Furina. I can see that if you have the model of her back side, you can use it And also change the hat detail as well. I add more ribbon on the back side of her hat as well. And then just change this ribbon and I will erase it using the eraser, and also you can just coloring new color on top of them in order to erase them like this. I also draw this detail at the back, such as a steampunk skirt. Upon finishing drawing the dark lines for her steampunk skirt, I start to color it by adding the new layer underneath this solid line. And then I add every detail at the back side, including the ribbon and the shadows of the hair, the skirt, and everything. Now it is finished. Then I'm going to extend this canvas and save it first, and then extend the canvas and change the canvas size, enter the size into something bigger than this. Now it is bigger, and now let's import the font size that I draw and then incorporate them into the same photo like this. Now the design is completed, and I hope you love this version of my Furina doll, and this design are ready to be turned into the real crochet doll. Here is the comparison of the sketch and the final crochet doll of Furina. Here is the front side and also the back side. If you like this kind of content, please let me know in the comment section. I normally teach you how to crochet, and I give free pattern of Furina and the whole set of the pattern in this series in the same playlist, which is include crochet front, crochet octopi, crochet seahorses, crochet crabs. For all creation I mentioned earlier, I will combine every pattern into crochet seagulls. Okay, if you like the free tutorial, please check it out. I have put all these pattern, tips, and techniques into the ebook called Crochet Furina, Realm of Hydro Archon and Sea Friends. If you are interested in this pattern and you want to support me, you can find the book Crochet Furina, Realm of Hydro Archon and Sea Friends on my Etsy shop and also the Ravelry shop as well for the printable PDF version. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and my new creation in the future.